Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill, we're gonna be making some smoked bologna using the Camp Chef Pellet Grill. This recipe is simple to do, full of flavor, and will feed a ton of people. So just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes for you in the description box below, as well as the full recipe. So make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this cook. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. As I said, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I appreciate you being here. Today at the grill, we're gonna be making some smoked bologna. And bologna is kind of one of those childhood favorite dishes that is filled with nostalgic memories. I know for me growing up as a kid, bologna was one of those things that I always asked my parents to buy, and they rarely ever did. And so whenever we got it in the house, it was a little bit of a treat. But really, end of the day, I don't really understand why they didn't buy it, because it's basically a giant hot dog. And so today we're gonna be smoking up this bologna and then making some sandwiches using some brioche buns and some cheese and onions. It's gonna be so delicious. There's not much to do to prepare this bologna to smoke it on the Camp Chef Pellet Grill, but we're gonna start off by scoring it. And this is going to help open up the surface area to allow our rub to just get into some of those cracks, giving a little bit extra bold flavor. And so what we're gonna do to start with is we're gonna take our knife and slice in about 1/4 of an inch. And we're just gonna keep working our way all around. There we go. And then we're gonna do the same in the opposite direction as well. All right, there we go. And so with this score, we're gonna now add on some Dijon mustard to the outside. And this is gonna be a binder for our rub to stick to, because the bologna on the outside is dry. There's really no moisture to that. And so we're gonna add that moisture for our rub to stick to. It's gonna be a little bit messy, but that's okay. All right, then next we're gonna add on our seasoning. Today I'm gonna be using my Postal Barbecue original rub because we want those sugars that's in this rub specifically to begin to caramelize a little bit on the outside of this bologna as it smokes away. Just gonna load this up. And I'm gonna be quite generous with this rub today. Make sure we get the edges. All right, that looks pretty good. So today we're gonna be smoking this on the Camp Chef Pellet Grill around 250 degrees. You can even push up to 275 degrees. It's totally fine. If you're cooking this on a kettle or any other type of grill, again, just use the indirect method of cooking this bologna. And so again, 250 degrees, and I have our smoke setting at 10. And so let's get this on to the grill. Just gonna carefully pick this up, place it on. So with our bologna on the grill, let's close up that lid, because there isn't really anything else that we need to do to this. We don't need to probe the internal temperature because it's already pre-cooked. We're really just warming it up and allowing that rub to set up really nice. So I've been smoking this bologna for 3 hours now, and I've come back and checked up on it a couple times throughout the cooking process, just to see how that rub is adhering to the outside of the bologna and see how the smoke is just penetrating into that meat. And so let's open up the grill and just take a look at it. You can see that it's developed some nice color from that smoke that it's been bathing in for this time, as well as our rub has firmed up quite nicely. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take some barbecue sauce and we're gonna brush the outside of this bologna just to add a little bit of extra flavor from this sauce. All right, that looks pretty nice. And so let's close up this lid, and we're gonna let that sauce set up for probably about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. We just want it to firm up and be a little bit tacky. And then at that point, we're gonna pull it off the grill and we'll start to build our sandwiches. So it's been about 25 minutes since I brushed that bologna with that barbecue sauce, and our total cooking time right now is around 3.5 hours. And so let's open up the grill and just see how that sauce is coming along. All right, just look at that smoked bologna. You can see that that sauce has tacked up quite nicely. So let's pull it off the grill and get a better look. All right, so this smoked bologna took about 3.5 hours total cooking time using the Camp Chef pellet grill, and it did an incredible job. The color and the aroma that's coming from this bologna right now is phenomenal. It smells so good. And so let's slice into it and just see how it tastes on its own before we go ahead and build our bologna sandwich. And so I'm gonna slice off about an inch thick slice here. I'm gonna just slice this into some pieces. All right, let's grab this guy here and just look at the outside of this piece. This is gonna be so good. That was good stuff. You know, the flavor of this smoked bologna is so good. It has that classic nostalgic bologna flavor. And then that flavor is just amplified with that classic barbecue flavor from that rub and that sauce coming through really nicely. You know, if this is how you want to prepare your smoked bologna and just eat it as is like this, you know, you're not gonna be disappointed at all. I'm going to build a sandwich using this. And so what I'm gonna do is first of all, I'm gonna slice about 3/4 of an inch slice of this bologna. There we go, we'll just slap that down. And then I'm gonna grab a bun and I'm gonna place a little bit of barbecue sauce on the bottom bun. I'm gonna grab this bologna and stick it right on top. And then I'm gonna throw on a few slices of Swiss cheese, and go ahead and use whatever cheese you prefer. There we go. And then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna place it directly on the grill again. And then I'm gonna let that cheese melt, and it's only gonna take a couple minutes for this to happen. So it's been a couple minutes, so let's see if our cheese is melted. Just look at this. That cheese is perfectly melted. So what I'm gonna do now, just to top it off, is I'm gonna take some caramelized onions that I made up earlier, and I'm gonna place a generous coating on top of this. Oh, just look at that. This looks amazing. And then to that, I'm gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce again to the top. Just gonna drizzle that over our onions. And then we'll crown our bun. Just look at how amazing this smoked bologna sandwich looks. It's incredible. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, this is gonna be absolutely insane. And so let's go in for the taste test. You know, right away you get that smoky flavor from the pellet grill, really enhancing that bologna, and then you're hit with the richness from that cheese. You know, using the Swiss cheese that I did on this sandwich really just adds to that complexity and complements the flavor of that bologna really well. And then you add on those caramelized onions and that barbecue sauce, and it just takes this whole thing to the next level. I'm telling you, if you've never tried a smoked bologna sandwich like this before, make sure to give it a try. It is phenomenal, as well as just simply smoking some bologna. Either way, you're not gonna be disappointed at all. It's so good. I'm gonna keep going in and enjoy this sandwich. Oh my goodness, this is so good. So that's how you make that delicious smoked bologna using the Camp Chef pellet grill. Hey, if you want to see more barbecue videos just like this, so make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Also, special thank you to all my patrons who help support this channel every single week. Until next time, keep that fire lit and get cooking.